wondered what it's like to be stuck in the middle of a blizzard? Well, it's snowy and cold. Let's get Science Man Bob to tell us more.
A blizzard is a severe snowstorm with high winds and low visibility. These snowstorms form in areas that have perfect conditions for snow formation, temperature below freezing, and a ground temperature of 0 degrees centigrade. 3 things required to create a thunderstorm: moisture, rising unstable air, and a lifting mechanism. They contain lightning, thunder, and many times hail and rain. A severe thunderstorm contains at least one of the following: tornado, hail of 1 inch or greater, and wind gusts over 58 knots.
How do you prepare for a snowstorm? Happens if you don't prepare.
No need to stress, it's just a blizzard. Don't really need to worry. It's fine. I'm just gonna go away. No need for a blizzard. We should all just chill out. It's just a blizzard. Like, not many people die in blizzards.
Where do they occur?
Blizzards are prone to happen in the northern hemisphere. Heavy snowstorms with accumulations of over a foot in depth are common in the winter along the eastern seaboard of the United States. Yet blizzard warnings are rare in that area. For one thing, the wind doesn't normally exceed 35 miles per hour, except along the coast where the wind off the warm water often turns the precipitation to rain. Furthermore, the snow is wet and heavy snow doesn't blow very much. The northern plains, however, are the perfect location for blizzard conditions. The flat terrain allows the wind to reach blizzard speed requirements, and the cold temperatures allow the snow to be light and easily blown around.
What would this storm destroy?
Well, the power can go out, trees can break and fall, winds can be so powerful they can make things fly and strike your house, melting snow can cause flash floods, icicles can fall and hurt you, and ice is everywhere and you can slip and fall. Here are some of the deadliest blizzards in history.
The Great Blizzard of 1888 was one of the worst blizzards recorded in history. It was located on the Atlantic coast of the United States and had over 400 casualties. The cost of the blizzard was over $200 million. On Sunday, March 11, 1888, a storm met up with a warm front and began dumping snow on New York City. By Monday morning, 10 inches of snow had fallen. Over the course of the storm, 22 inches fell in the city, while other nearby areas saw as much as 50 inches. Adding to the chaos and danger, high winds brought up below freezing temperatures into the mix. Power lines were destroyed, snow drifts reached 50 feet, and people who had ventured from their homes remained stranded in streets and shops. Some wind gusts reached 85 miles per hour. Due to the intense conditions, over 400 people died during this storm.
The 1972 Iran blizzard began in the first few days of February 1972. It lasted a week, dumping 10 to 26 feet of snow over 200 villages.